Hi everybody. Today I'm doing a unboxing for Marvel's Guardians for PS5. This is the Cosmic Deluxe Edition. The big box for Marvel's Guardians for PS5. Now I'm excited for this because I've been waiting a long time to see what's in this box. So let's go. All right. Wrap it there. So the first thing is this very cool cardboard cutout thing, which is really awesome how that is. And of course, the Cosmic Deluxe Edition thing here. Oh, and this is sick artwork for all you Guardians fans out there, like I am. Oh man, this is sick. First time I've seen something like this on the PS5. Sorry if you see my buddy's text. That was not my intention. This is the cover and the artwork. That's pretty cool. Now, for the next part of the unboxing. Oh man. We have this really cool art book, like actual art book. I'll check and let you guys see it because it's pretty cool. Contents in it, brief description of all that. Oh man, this is awesome. Peter Quill Star Lord for you. Oh man. See if I can. I don't want to ruin this for y'all that get it. But that's cool. They actually give you the art book itself. And now, I'm not going to show you the code. They actually give you some codes in here, along with the Guardians game itself. So that's pretty cool. Oh, that's so awesome. All right. That, ladies and gentlemen, and I can't wait to give this a play. A little backstory, I was going to do this on Tuesday, but we got hit hard with a nor'easter. So now, man, that's pretty awesome. So between that, and here's the back, the art book, Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy PS5 edition, done. Thank y'all for watching.